I'm Shaktivel for Shaktivel Gardening. I'm just going to show you what are the plants growing in my garden, and there is some little bit of trussels in Chennai here. So let's see what are the plants growing in my garden now. Here you can see some lemon plants growing, and this plant gives me a harvest of 20 to 25 of lemons per year. It's a brand new plant. It's a 3 years old plant, and it's giving me some good production. And this is a orange variety. It is a orange variety from Nagpur. So here you can see some small oranges emerged from the plant, and here you can see some turkey berry plants. Turkey berries are my favorite. You can just cook this turkey berries, and if you want any dishes, I will just share some recipe for you guys. And some more turkey berry. I just love turkey berries, so that I just grow some lots of turkey berries here. Here you can see some eggplants varieties. So this is some purple one, and I have also some white varieties of eggplants. You can see here some rinds are just drizzling out, and here you can see some okra plants. We are also called as a lady's finger here, and this is also growing very well, and I'm just expecting some good yield from these plants. So here you can see some periwinkle plants, and this is also growing very well. And here you can see some cherries. This is called as a Singapore cherry. I just spotted one small bud, but I just not seen that converted into fruits. Here you can see pomegranate plant, and you can see some pomegranates coming out of plant here. And here also I have seen some, here also one pomegranate here. And okra plants, it's growing very well. I'm sorry guys if you just disturbed by the sound of rain. And here you can see some tomato plants. It's a native tomato plants. It's from South India. And here also you can see some okra plants, the butterfly pea plants. Here you can see some cluster beans, some more tomatoes, and this is called as Mexican mint. We called as a Karpuravalli, and this is a very good herb for common cold and cough. This is also herb. This is called as Nochi. I just don't know the exact English transaction. And here you can see lemongrass. Here you can see hyacinth beans, okras. This is called as night jasmine plant. We call as Pavaramalli. This is also a very good flower, and it's very rich in aromatic smell. And this flowers only blooms at the night, so only it's called as a night jasmine. This is Nitya Malli. It will always bloom, so it is called as a Nitya Malli. This plant is also there. And here you can see some okra plants. I just give you some overview guys. These are my plants in terrace garden. And here you can see the yard potato. Yard potatoes are growing very well. And between you can see some snake gourd plants also. And this is also a variety sword beans. So sword beans also growing very well. Here you can see amaranth greens here. And this is a Ceylon pasalai, palakira. You can see, it may be a merely transaction. It's also greens, edible green. And okra plants, eggplants, cluster beans. You can see so many cluster beans is coming out of this plant. And some okra plants. And everybody's favorite moringa plants. You can see the moringa flowers are bloomed. You can also eat the moringa flowers if you like. You can see some moringa pods coming out of it. And here you can see some turmeric plant. Turmeric also very good, rich in antioxidants, and many good properties is there. And here you can see some more okra plants, the jade plant. I hope my phone won't broke. Let's see it will sustain this rain or not. And this is also some okra plants. Hibiscus plants. There are so many hibiscus we just used to harvest in morning. one variety, sorry, only one flower I just missed out. Here you can see some rose plants. Here also some greens growing. This is also called Vayal Ponangani. This is also edible green. So that's it guys, and rains is so picking up. Sorry friends, rains are a little bit high here, and I'll just show you the garden, full garden some other time. And I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you just love watching this rain and garden, please make sure just hit the like and share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye from your Gardener Shaktivel. Have a happy gardening day. Bye bye.